everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I like to contour my face. I'm going to use two of my favorite products. One is the Huda Beauty Contour in medium. I love using that, and I'm also going to use the Benefit Cheek Star palette. Now these are two things that I've been using a lot to contour my face, so I thought I should show you guys. And you can get all of the products that I show here on the Sephora Now website, and they're also going to be linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And before I start the video, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And let's get started. First, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade medium, and I'm going to take it onto a small tapered brush. I'm going to apply it right here where my earlobe starts and angle it towards the end of my lip, and I'm going to try and finish it where my eyes end. So this is where the contour is going to go. So I'm just going to apply it slowly and build up the intensity. Try not to apply too much product right at once. If I look straight, you can see that it throws in like a nice natural shadow onto my face, and it makes it look like I have a very chiseled face. Make sure to blend your contour perfectly. There should not be any harsh edges. You can either use a fluffier brush or you can use your beauty blender. I'm also going to take a little bit onto my temple like so. You can also take a small eyeshadow brush like this one. This is the number 8 brush from Sephora, and you can use that to contour your nose. I think small eyeshadow brushes like this just work really well to contour your nose, and I just like to contour it very slightly. Whenever I contour my nose, it doesn't even look like I've contoured it, because I don't really like the appearance of that really sharp nose contour. And just make sure that you truly blend it all in. You can use your beauty blender to blend it all in. Next, I'm going to take my Benefit Cheek Star palette, and then I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer to set the contouring that we did, and this way it's just going to further intensify and also give me that beautiful sun-kissed look. I'm going to apply Hoola everywhere that I've applied my contour, so on my cheeks, on my temple and jawline. Then I'm going to take Sugar Bomb and apply my blush, and I like to apply my blush right on top of where I've contoured. And then I'm just going to take this highlighter in Cookie. It is intense. I love this glow, and I'm using a fan brush to apply the highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones first, and then going all the way to my temple. I also like to take a little bit onto my nose, and don't forget your neck too, or any other exposed part. So that's it. It's super easy, and I really hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you now understand how you can contour your own face. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I would love to help you guys out. And you can also find all of the products on the Sephora Now website, which I have linked down below. And thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you super soon. Bye!